Hello students, today we are going to perform an activity on addition and subtraction. As we know, addition and subtraction are very interesting concepts, and after performing this activity, it will become more interesting. So let's start. Here you can see some counters. Now we will be using these counters to add and subtract some numbers. At first we will assign these counters their places. Let's take blue counters as ones, yellow counters as tens, green counters as 100 and red counters as thousands. Now let's begin with our first question. At first we are going to add these two 4-digit numbers, 6253 and 1234. So first number was 6253. So we'll put 6 counters here in the thousand place. We'll take 6 counters here. We'll take 2 counters here for 200. We'll take 5 counters here for 553 and 3 counters here in the ones place. Likewise, we will arrange the next number also, which is 1234. 1 red counter, 2 green counter, 3 tens counter and 4 ones counter. Now we are going to add them. As we know, while adding we start from the ones, that is we start from the right side and we proceed towards the left. In the ones, let's see how many total blue counters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will take all these blue counters here and we'll put them here. Then we'll count the total number of counters in this place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total green counters are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll take all the 4 counters here. And total red counters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll take all the red counters here. So the total that we are getting is 7487. Students, this is the answer when we did this manually, that is 7487. Now let's move to another question. Children, you can always do this type of activity at your home also, where you can choose your own favorite colors for different place values. And also you can do this for larger numbers as well. That is for 7-digit numbers or 8-digit numbers also. So let's move to the next question. Now here we will be solving this question. That is, we will be adding 4392 with 2579. Let's do it in our activity. So we will arrange our chips according to the number. The first number is 4392. That means 4 chips will be here, green. Let me put 4 over here. Three blue chips over here. 9 yellow chips in the tens place. And 2 red chips in the ones place. So here we are getting 4392. Likewise, we will put the next number, that is 2579. So here is our second number, 2579. Now we will start adding from the ones place. Now let's count the total number of red chips here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are total 11 chips. We are shifting this 11 over here. Now students, here we will use one regroup concept that we already know. That is 10 tens, 10 ones make 1 tens. That means 10 red chips can compensate with 1 yellow chip. Because we know, again I am repeating it, that 10 ones give us 1 tens. So I am excluding 10 chips from here and I am keeping this yellow chip here. So this is 11. 9 plus 2 that we are getting 11. This is 11. Now since we cannot put yellow chip here, we have to shift this chip at its original place. So we are keeping this yellow chip here. Again I am repeating it, student. What we did is the total that we are getting over here, 9 plus 2 was 11 red chips. That 11, that means 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. 1 we are keeping here and the rest 10 we are replacing this with this 1 10 chip. And now since the yellow chip cannot stay here because this is the house for red chip, we will shift this chip to its original place, that is the tens place. Now let's count the total number of yellow chips present in the tens place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So there are total 17 yellow chips. Now again here 17 can be written as 10 plus 7. Now 7 chips we will keep here and the rest 10 we can replace it with 100 chips because of the concept that we have studied, that 10 tens make 100. That's why we will take away 10 chips from here. We'll keep it aside. We'll keep it at the top. And here we are left with only 7 chips, yellow chips and 1 blue chip. That is 10 plus 7 is 17. Now we know 10 tens makes 100. That's why we are keeping 1 blue chip here. But again, we cannot put blue chip here. So we have to take it back to its original place. That is this house. This is as a carryover. When we do this addition manually, this is what carryover represent. Now let's count the total here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 blue chips. Let's shift it here. And now let's count the 1000 place. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are total 6 green chips. So students, the answer that we are getting is 6971. Now we will do it manually like the way we have done it earlier. So here is it. We have done it manually and the answer that we are getting is 6971 when we are adding these two 4-digit numbers. Hope you have understood this. Let's practice one more question. Now the next question that we are going to solve is to add 2793 and 3428. So let's begin. First digit is 2 under 1000. So we will put 2 green chips over here. Then comes 7 in the under the 100. We'll take 7 blue counters here. We'll arrange them. Then 9 yellow counters we will take from here and we will arrange them. And 3 red counter we will take here and arrange them. Now likewise we will place the other number also, that is 3428. Let's place it. Now as per the rule we will always start from the right side, that is from the ones. Let's start counting. The total number of chips in the ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have total 11 counters over here. Let's bring it to the final answer column. Now we know 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. So 10 ones is 1 tens. So I can of course replace 10 red chips with 1 yellow chip here. So this is 10 plus 1, 11. Now since this is not a place for yellow chip, so we will put it at its right place. Now let's count the total number of chips over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 12 total counters will be present here. Now again 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. So I can replace 10 tens with 1 blue chip here. I can keep it here, back here. So this is again 10 plus 2, 12. Again this is not a place for the blue chip, so I will keep it at its right place. Now let's count the total number of chips in blue chips, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 2, 11 plus 1, sorry, 11 plus 1 is 12. So again we will keep it here. Now again this 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. So I can replace 10 blue chip with 1 green chip. This is 10 plus 2, 12. Now this is because why we are doing it, because we know 10 hundreds make 1000. That's why I have replaced 10 blue counters with 1000 counter or green counter. Now this is not the right place for a green counter, so I'll put it back to its right place. Now let's count the total number over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll take back everything in the final column. Now let's see the total number. So the total answer that we are getting is 6221. Now let's do it manually once. So the answer that we are getting after manually doing it is 6221.